that I had in my head could not save my son. There's a time that you reach where you are so weak and helpless, and then your emotions and life changes. And I became very depressed in that season. I could not eat, I could not sleep. People are talking to me, but I can't hear what they are saying. Has that happened to you before? People are talking to you. They are saying, have you eaten today? I'm just like, have you done this? You can just sit in one position. I will sit in the room the whole day and not move. This is depression. This is something that is real, can happen to anybody. Me, I was of sound mind. I wasn't of any family with mental health problems. I was, things that we have as taboo. But you see, there is a small. For some people, it's abuse. For some people, it is bereavement. You are well, and then something traumatic happens to you, and then you become depressed. So if there's nothing you take away today, if there's that friend that you've been calling, they are not picking up, please don't just ignore them. Just say, they are just being something. No. Knock on their door. Just take food. Just sit by them and say, I know you don't want to talk, but I'm here. If women, we could be more there for each other rather than judge, we would really get somewhere. I love what Mr. Tony said, that they understood that there are things happening to women. There are some women, the husband has run away. They have 6 children to feed. Who's going to look after you? Who's going to help you? The woman is like, look at her. It's her fault. She made her husband leave her. She was a troublesome woman. And she did this sometimes with our words. You know what? We have to be so careful with our words. Those who are Christian, they know that life and death is in the power of our tongue. Listen, women, if there's nothing that you take away from me today, the words you speak to each other, sometimes you think you are joking, but for somebody, when they go to bed and lie down, those words keep coming, and they can affect you. The same words you are saying, oh, my sister, you are doing well, you can do it, get up. I know you are down now, but you can get up, you can do it. No way. Sometimes when we feel a failure, sometimes our biggest struggle is our mind. The internal voices that keep going on. And some of those voices, mothers, see, our internal voices are a reflection of what our mothers told us when we were babies. Be careful what you say to your children. You are not good. You are stupid. You are the words we use. We have to be careful. When they grow up, say, this is why she's ugly. How can you be so ugly like that? We say that as African. When the child grows up, makeup, they put a lot of makeup. Because why? When they are looking in the mirror, all they are hearing is those words that were said even when they were 2 years old.